facial skin problem that make you feel no confidence? Feel stressed because it is hard to get rid of problems on your facial skin? You don't need to worry anymore, girls, because now already exists natural public soothing and moisture aloe vera gel that has 92% aloe vera leaf extracts. This product not just has one function, but it has a lot of functions such as overcome your acne, reducing black spots, moisturizer your skin, removing your panda eyes, soothing your sunburned skin, make your face more glowing, and also moisturize your lips. So girls, love your skin by loving Nature Republic.